Perplexity just dropped something crazy. They gave their AI a brain, a real memory. This changes everything about how you use AI, and I'm going to show you exactly what this means for you. So here's what happened. Perplexity just launched memory for their AI assistant. And this isn't like the other AI tools you've used. This is completely different. Most AI chatbots forget everything the second you close the tab. You have to start over every single time. You have to explain yourself again and again. It's like talking to someone with zero memory. But that's all changed now. Here's how it works. Perplexity now stores your preferences and key details automatically. Things like your favorite brands, your dietary needs, the topics you care about, all of it gets saved securely. And when you ask a question, Perplexity doesn't just treat this like random training data, it actually retrieves the specific context it needs from your memory store and uses it directly to give you better answers. This is huge because most AI tools just look at patterns and guess, but Perplexity pulls your actual information and crafts precise responses based on what it knows about you. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Every conversation builds on the last one. Perplexity creates a dynamic understanding of you that gets more nuanced over time. And here's the best part. This memory works across every single model they offer. You can switch between reasoning models for complex stuff, fast models for quick questions, and specialized models for specific tasks. Your context follows you everywhere. Other platforms lock you into their system. But with Perplexity, you own your context. When a new model launches, you don't lose anything. All that knowledge you built up is still there. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So back to it, and you also have complete control. You can turn memory off whenever you want. If you're by researching something private, one click and it's disabled. When you use incognito mode, memory and search history are automatically turned off. Nothing gets saved. All your data is encrypted. And you can opt out of contributing to model improvement if you want. Perplexity gives you full control over your information. What makes this different from other AI memory features is that Perplexity automates everything. Some tools just dump your entire chat history into the context window and that hits limits fast. You end up manually summarizing stuff just to keep going. But Perplexity figures out what's important and preloads it automatically. You never have to worry about context limits or losing your thread. It just works. If you want to master AI tools like Perplexity and build your own personalized AI assistant that remembers everything about you, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you exactly how to set up memory features like this across multiple AI tools.